Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ayanna here. If you're new, if you're returning, hey girl, hey. Today I'm back with another hair video. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping in and tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you. And then if you're returning, you already know. I really appreciate you for coming back to hang with me. Today is Monday, and Monday is here are for hair. So I'm coming back to you with another hair video. However, if you're new here, I do videos on natural hair, mukbangs, clean with me's, shop with me's, fashion hauls, things of that nature, things that I enjoy. So if you enjoy those types of videos, just keep on watching. Today I'm back looking like Little Richard. If you can't tell, I got a haircut. My bangs are shorter and my hair is freshly washed. It's drying up, so it's soaking up the water. But my bangs are really short, and they're going back though because they were shorter than this. I've been putting Jamaican castor oil here to make them grow because they were cut just a little too short, but I still love my haircut. But anyway, today I'm doing a slick back ponytail. I actually got some hair from a company called Trendy Tresses. Thank you so much, Trendy Tresses, for collaborating with me. They sent me this curly hair, and I'm going to do a slick back ponytail. I got the style, it's called River Curls, 20 inches and 1B. I wanted like a wavy look, just to make it look more natural like my real hair, because I am doing it on wet hair. They sent me 6 packages of hair. I don't know if I need all 6, but we're going to go ahead and see. I also am using today, I have my Eco Styler gel, the brown kind, because my hair is dark. I don't like the flakiness. A rat tail comb and a hard toothbrush just to comb my hair back. And I also got a little beeswax just for my edges, because sometimes they don't stick, honey. And then I got these bangs. I don't know how it's going to work now with these bangs, because actually I'm used to my hair being longer. I haven't had bangs in years, but we're going to go ahead and see. And then I also have some bobby pins here just to keep my bangs put back, or whatever part of my hair needs to be slicked back. And then I have a few hair ties here because my hair is kind of thick. These tend to break, so I got to back up. And then I also need one for the hair. So what I'm going to do, I think I want to do it with a middle part. Also, I want to say, don't mind my eyes. They're super baggy right now. My allergies, wow, man, I feel like my allergies are on 10. They're on strong right now. I really don't know what's going on. My nose has been itching. I'm just having an allergy attack. So that's why my eyes are all poofy, extra poofy today. So, yeah. So, I have my rat tail comb here. I'm just going to part down the middle. I'm no expert parter, y'all. Expert part girl. I don't know how to say it. What's the appropriate term? So, I'm just going to part it down the middle as far back as I want. Like that. And brush it down just so it's not all tangled. If you're new here, I don't like really getting gel on my hands, so what I do is take the tip of the brush. If you're returning, honey, you know I use the tip of the brush to dip it in, and then I just put the gel on my fingers like that. So I'm just gonna gel back my hair. It's soaking wet, so I don't have to like pound my hair with goop of gel, but I just want it slick. Just make sure you get your edges and get all the hair that you want to stay slick down. I love this Eco Styler gel. It's not heavy, but it gets the job done. So then I'm just going to brush it back. See, my hair is really, really wavy. Okay, so I just grabbed my brush. The teeth on this brush are just a little harder. I don't like no super hard brush, y'all. I'm tender-headed. So, but this is harder than that soft brush that I always use, my brown brush. So I just brush my hair back all into one ponytail. I want it like in the middle of my head. Do I like this middle part? Yeah, okay. So I want it like in the middle of my head. So just going to try to get it as slick as possible because my hair is really, really wavy. So I'm going to speed some of this up because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me do this. I'll come back when it's time to put the hair in. Okay, so I have my ponytail in. It's not quite as tight as I would like it, but I know if I pull the ponytail band around one more time, it's gonna bust. And ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Okay. So what I'm doing now is just detangling this so I can braid it and wrap it around the ponytail. I'm just gonna separate it into two. And it doesn't have to be braided to the end jaw because I'm going to pin it up anyway. Okay, y'all, so I'm just pulling it together, and what I'm getting ready to do is just wrap these around. Let's see if you can see. Wrap those around and stick a bobby pin in it. Just going over with my small tooth comb just to make sure it stays down. I see most girls, when they do this, most videos I watch, they put a scarf on while their hair is wet, so you could do that also. I just don't like doing that because technically doesn't work for me, and it leaves a crease in my forehead, so I don't like that. But I'm just putting bobby pins right here on my side so my bangs stay back. So yeah, the hair, like I said, is 20 inches. 20 inches. In half like this because I have to put a ponytail holder around it. It's some nice hair though. I like it. It's soft. Yeah, it's nice and soft. You know, I'm no weave connoisseur, but I think it's pretty good. So when you pull the hair apart, it gets pretty thick. Well, not thick, but fluffy. So I'm only probably going to use 3 of these. It says amount of bundles needed for an installation, 3 to 4 depending on desired fullness. How to keep your trendy tresses looking trendy. Lightly spritz your hair with water and apply a thin coating of non-oil based conditioner. So it says 3 to 4 packs to keep it, like, depending on the fullness you want. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Like, each strand, like, they give you a bundle of hair, but they come in separated in pieces like this. It's not like a track hair. So this is could be also, you could use this like for the regular crochet down styles, like if you had your hair down, just putting it in. Okay, y'all, so this is, I got a few strands here left, but this is 3 packs of the crochet hair, the river curl style, and I think this is going to be thick enough because I don't want it to look super fake. You know, I do want it to look kind of natural. So this is what 3 packs of the hair looks like, minus a few pieces, but this is like what 3 packs of the hair look like. I actually like this hair. It looks pretty. It's nice and bouncy and fluffy, and it's soft, and it smells like hair. It doesn't have like a fishy smell or anything. Take the hair, then take a ponytail holder. You want to have the hair split down the middle, but then you want to get the ponytail holder, pull it through and loop it. Grab the other side and pull it through, and then it should pop. It should be able to pull through like that. Now the hair is wrapped around the ponytail. So now that the hair is looped through the ponytail holder, I'm just going to turn around and wrap it around my hair. Okay, so I put that much on the bottom section, y'all, but you see, you can still see my bun. So what I'm gonna do is get more hair and wrap it around the top. Just gonna comb this one out a little bit because this is gonna be on top. So you just put the second one on the top and flip it around until you get the desired fullness that you want. You can actually add more hair if you want. This is so long, y'all. So long that I think I'm going to actually cut it a little bit. But the hair is super pretty. It's just longer than what I am used to, a lot fuller than what I used to. I think I'm going to cut it. So now I'm just taking a small section from the back and wrapping it around the base of my hair. Just playing with it to get it how I want. Want a little more frizzy, so I'm just going over it with the comb. So what do y'all think? This is a slick back ponytail that I use with the crochet hair from Trendy Tresses. So now I'm getting ready to get dressed. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come back and show you the final product. I did my makeup and I just wanted to do my baby hairs. I just put a little gel up here, you know, it's not much. This is the final project. So this is it. How do you guys like it? It's super long. I did cut it a little bit on video, but I like it. I think I look like Rapunzel. So this is the final project. So thank you again, Trendy Tresses, for sending me the hair, and thank you guys for watching with me. I hope you try this out. Let me know down below if you're gonna try this out, and I will see you next time. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, honey. See you later. Bye.